I'm Renee with Secondhand Sailors, and we have a dinghy problem. Take a look at this. Do you see this filth? Turner did a Secondhand Sailors question of the day, asking for help on how to get rid of this stuff, whatever it is. So we have tried, and I'm going to show you again that we are trying the suggestions. They were Dawn dishwashing liquid, bleach, or peroxide. So we're going to give those three a shot and let you see what happens. This is bleach cleaner from Walmart. It gets some of the chalky off, but it does not clear up the gray. Now let's try the peroxide. Regular old everyday peroxide. Do this a little higher. Again, it gets the chalky part off, but it does not get this gray nasty spots off. Let's try Dawn. I got my bucket of Dawn dishwashing detergent mixed up right here. And as you can see, it's already started working on it itself. And just like before, it works on the chalky stuff, but it does not get the gray spots off. We have tried soap and water, we've tried bleach, we've tried peroxide. I sent an email to Zodiac and asked them what they suggested to do to get it, trying to make it look a little closer to new. And they recommended a product which we're going to give a shot to today. We're going to give this a try. It's called Permanon. It is biodegradable, it is non-toxic, and they say it is a green product, so that is always a plus as far as we're concerned. We like to stay environmentally conscious. The product is supposedly very simple, just to apply it by wiping it on a little bit with a sponge, and I'm going to show you that process in just a moment, and hopefully we'll get to see how this works. But I want to give you a little bit of a look at exactly what we're looking at before we get started. So again, I've shown you before, but these are the gray spots that are all over this dinghy. And they're not raised. You can't feel them. I mean, they're just nasty and they won't come off. And they're on the entire dinghy, everywhere over it. All the surfaces have this on it. So I'm going to give it a shot today and see if we can get that clean. The floor of the dinghy looks just as bad, but it doesn't have the gray spots on it. It's made out of fiberglass rather than the rubber. And so I'm going to give that a shot too, see if we can get that clean. This product is supposed to be good for even cleaning the stains off of the back of Daisy May. So if it works on the dinghy, we're going to give that a shot as well. So let's get started. This is the product that they sent me. It is called Permanon PS Universal Cleaning Paste, and it comes with a Scotch-Brite soft sponge to use. And I'm supposed to just wet this side, put a little bit of this product on, and rinse it off, and it's supposed to come perfectly clean. So let's give it a shot and see how it goes. All right, I have my sponge wet. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to open it up, and it says it doesn't take a whole lot. As a matter of fact, in France, they call it magic soap. Let's see how it works. There's a lot of stuff on my sponge, but I'm still not looking like it's doing a lot. Well, I'm not pleased with this. Looks better, but it ain't fixed it. You wanna come look? I don't think it's worth my effort. Now, mind you, we do have an incredibly old dinghy, and I was expecting miracles. I did not get miracle. That's the question. Can you tell where I've even done it at? I've worked diligently on this area right here.
Wow.
I don't see any change at all.
All he did was just rub it on there?
Yeah. He had a thing like this. According to the explanation I was given, you rub it on like so, and you rinsed it off, and it looked brand new. But he didn't even use the scrubby side of this scrubber. He used the yellow pad, and I'm scrubbing on it with the scrubby side, and I'm not getting results. He showed how much the paste he put on it, and I'm using that much. I've even tried using more.
No way. Put the results on there. That's all you can do, right?
I hate to.
No, I cannot recommend it. It's not clean.
Even the sticky part on the front up here, I worked on that some. Oh. It looks better, but it's not, like I said, it's not solving the problem. All right, my $50 product that I bought for Zodiac did not help. This time we're going to try OxyClean. I've got me a little paste in my thing, and we're going to see how that does on the corner of it. Follow along. Ooh, this OxyClean's hot. I'll tell you what, it does every bit as good as that $50 stuff does. But I still got spots.
I think we got sprayed with death crystals.
I think we may have. This is crazy. Whatever the previous owner of this dinghy took it through, it is bad on the dinghy. I've used bleach cleaner, I've used peroxide cleaner, I've used Dawn dishwashing liquid, I've used OxyClean, and I've used the $50 a packet Permanon PS Universal Cleaning Paste. None of it has worked, as you can see on this used dinghy. I am very disappointed, and at the same time, I am open to ideas. So if any of you have any other suggestions for getting this thing back to a better color configuration, right now it looks like it's gray camo and it's not supposed to be. So if you've got any suggestions on how to make this thing cleaner looking, please drop me something down in those comments, because this is driving me crazy.
Next time.
Thanks for watching this video of Secondhand Sailors, and until next time, hold that thought.
Tell your mom and him, Turner said, hey.